In this video, we are going to talk about order of operations. Now, many people talk about something called PEMDAS or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now, I'm going to talk about those, but I want to kind of break them up a little bit for you. So I'm going to write them over here. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now, there's really 4 steps you want to take. The P means parentheses or sometimes even grouping. The E means exponent. The M and D means multiply and divide from left to right. The A and S mean add and subtract from left to right. Okay, so once we have an expression and we want to substitute values in, and we want to follow order of operation, what we want to do is wherever we see the value of the variable, my suggestion is put a little parenthesis to hold the number in. Every place that we see an X, it says that X is 2, so I'm going to put a 2. Every place that we see a Y, it tells me that that's -1. Now, we are going to proceed with the order of operations in the order in which they told us. So, the first thing we have to look for, do we have a parenthesis? So we do. We have this parenthesis right here. We're going to look inside it, and the only symbols we have are addition or subtraction. So we're going to add 2 plus -1. So that's first. So I'm going to rewrite everything else. Okay. Now 2 plus -1, since they are different signs, we're going to add them by actually subtracting them and keeping the sign of the larger value. So 2 is the larger value, so we're going to subtract and get +1. The next thing on our PEMDAS that we have to do is exponents. So for that one, we are going to do 1 squared. 1 squared is 1. Now what's left? Well, we have some multiplication. So when these parentheses are touching, or these 2 things were touching, that means multiplication. So that's going to be 4. 2 negatives multiplied together, -5 and -1, make that a +5. And then we add and subtract from left to right. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So our answer is 10. So there is an example where we have substituted values in to an algebraic expression, and we have followed order of operations. I hope that helps. If that helped, could you please like it and subscribe to our page? Thanks. And more videos will be coming. Be patient. Thanks.